We're going to estimate the mean from this group frequency table. Again, we've got the weight of some rocks, and we've got like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ranges of weight, and we can see that there's 7 rocks that have a weight between 0 and 10, and 13 between 10 and 20 kilograms, and so on. To find the estimated mean, the first step will be to add in a new column for the midpoint. Again, we're estimating, and we're using the fact that the average weight for the first range is going to be 5 kilograms. The average range from the second is going to be 15. The average weight for the third range is going to be 25, 40 for that range of data, and for the last range of data it's going to be 125. This is why it's estimated, because we're estimating that the weight of those rocks is the midpoint. And then we need to add in a new column. That will be the second step, and that will be for f times by the frequency times by the midpoint. In other words, there are 7 rocks in that first weight range, and if those 7 rocks have a weight of 5 kilograms, then together they have a weight of 35 kilograms. If there's 13 rocks in the second range that have a weight of 15 kilograms, then we just multiply to work out their sum weight to their total weight. That's the reason we multiply. Yeah. So 7 times 5, those 7 rocks have a sum weight of 35. Those 13 rocks have a sum weight of 195. The 9 rocks in the third group have a total weight of 225 kilograms. The 30 to 50 range has a sum of 320, and for the last, we do 11 times 125, because the 11 rocks have a average weight of 125 kilograms, so together that's 1,375 kilograms. The third step, which is going to be involved in the last step, is to add up the blue column. That will be adding up all the weight of all the stones. We've just worked it out in a concise, neater way. So all the stones, their weight adds to 2,150 kilograms. And there are, we also need to know the number of stones, the number of rocks in our data. And we're going to find that out by adding up all the frequencies. So 7 plus 13 plus 9 plus 8 plus 11, which is 48. And then to find the average mean, we have to divide the total weight of all the stones, which is 2,150, by the number of rocks, the number of stones in our data. So the mean is going to be the total of the f times m column, which is the sum of all the weight of all the stones, rocks in our data. We're going to divide that by the total frequency, which is the number of rocks in our data. So 2,150 kilograms divided by 48, because there's 48 rocks, 48 stones in our data. We're going to divide them, so 2,150 divided by 48. When I can type it in correctly. Is going to be 44.8 kilograms to one decimal place. So that tells us that the average weight of a stone is 44.8 kilograms for that data.